So I'll be showing you how to adjust the sound balance on your Samsung Smart TV. This is basically the balance between the sound coming from the right side and the left side of your Smart TV, or if you have speakers connected, maybe the right and the left speakers. So to adjust sound balance, just go to settings, all settings, then go to sound, and then go to expert settings, and then you should see balance at the top there. If you select it, you'll notice when it's at 0, it means the sound is balanced on both the left and the right side. Now, if you want more sound to the right, all you have to do is push it to the right. The more you push to the right, the more the volume is increased to the right and reduced on the left. Same goes for sliding this to the other direction. So more sound to the left and less sound to the right hand side. So that's basically how to adjust the balance of the sound on your Samsung Smart TV. If you want it balanced, just go to 0 at the middle, and that means the TV will be balanced, or rather the sound will be balanced. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.